know if that sounds familiar. Alright, D, you want to start it off real quick for me? So we already tightened it prior, but alright, go ahead. So what you're hearing right now is that, but no noise. All you're hearing is the power steering. But anyways, no more noise. Runs great. Good to go.